Hello children, in today's class we are going to discuss about the third and the fourth domain. Third one, which is the third one children? Atmosphere. So definition of atmosphere, proportion of the air, then layer of air and also importance of atmosphere. We will also discuss about biosphere. Previous classes we were discussing about hydrosphere, isn't it? About the sea, ocean, river, lake, etc. We have already seen in the previous classes. Now we are left with the two more domains, that is the atmosphere and the biosphere. Atmosphere. We have already learned the definition of atmosphere, isn't it children? The domain of air that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. Define once again. The domain of air that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. A column of air surrounds the earth up to the height of 1600 kilometers above the earth's surface. So, till where children? 1600 kilometer. The air is there. Okay. It is called the atmosphere. So, till where the air is called, that we call it as atmosphere. Beyond 16 kilometers, there is airless outer space. There is no air after that. So, up to 16 kilometer air is there. So, that area we call it as atmosphere, and beyond 16 kilometer there is airless outer space. The air is a mixture of gases which usually maintain a constant proportion. A sample of air near the earth contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, etc. The sample of the air near the earth contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, etc. Of this, oxygen is an important gas. It is called the birth of life because it is very necessary for breathing. Why it is called the birth of life? Because it is very necessary for breathing. As we go up, the quantity of oxygen goes on decreasing. That is why the mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders on their backs while climbing high peaks. That we have seen in many pictures and children. When the mountaineers, when they climb up in the mountain, they normally carry oxygen cylinders. The astronauts also carry oxygen cylinders for the same reason. Oxygen also helps in the burning activity. Yes children, you can see 5 different layers in atmosphere. Okay, up to 12 kilometer it is called as troposphere. Then up to 50 kilometer stratosphere. Then to 80 kilometers mesosphere, then thermosphere, and last one is exosphere. What are the various layers of the atmosphere children? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Okay, detailed we will learn in higher classes. At least you just learn the name of the different layers of atmosphere. Okay children. Then, importance of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is very important to us. It has many advantages of its own. The first one, the atmosphere acts like a blanket or a glass house for the earth. It receives the radiation of the sun but does not allow the insolation to escape into space. As such, it keeps the earth warm. Second one, it protects us from the harmful solar radiation. Third one, the water vapor and carbon dioxide present in the lower layer of the atmosphere absorb the heat radiated by the Earth's surface, and as such, they keep the atmosphere warm even during night. These are the three importance of the atmosphere which you have to learn. Next, we are going to see about biosphere. Life exists only in a narrow zone where land, water and air come in contact. It is because of this narrow zone called biosphere that our earth is regarded as a unique in the whole universe. This zone supports several varieties of organisms, both plants and animals. There are about 10 lakhs varieties of animals and 3 lakhs varieties of plants. So what is biosphere, children? It is a portion of earth where life occurs. So because of this life, the earth is regarded as a unique in the whole universe. I hope today's class is clear, children. Thank you.